When you're not feeling well, you want to know why. Is it COVID? The flu? It's impossible to tell without testing. So, get the answers you need with one test. The CareSuperb COVID-19 Flu A and B Antigen Combo Home Test from the makers of the trusted CareStar test. Our test is FDA 510(k) cleared, easy to use, and fast, delivering results in just 10 minutes. The test is simple. Here's how it works. Wash your hands and open the kit. Carefully remove the swab without touching the swab's tip. Insert the swab 3/4 of an inch into your left nostril. Rotate 5 times for 15 seconds. Then repeat in your right nostril using the same swab. Insert the swab into the sample port until the tip disappears. Add all of the liquid from the dropper into the port. Rotate the swab 10 times, then remove it. The test results develop in 10 minutes. Don't forget to set a timer. Now, let's interpret your test results. One purple line at control means the result is negative. A purple line and red line at A means the result is flu A positive. A purple line and blue line at B means the result is flu B positive. A purple line and blue line at C19 means the result is COVID-19 positive. If more than one test line appears, it means you may have more than one illness, indicating co-infection. If no purple line appears at the control line, the test is invalid. Retest with a new kit. Whether it's COVID-19, flu A, or flu B, knowing your results quickly helps you take the right next step. With the CareSuperb test, that knowledge is right in your hands. Simple, fast, affordable testing at home. Care starts here with CareSuperb. Discover more about the CareSuperb test at caresuperb.com.